Hello friends, how are you? Everyone is fine. So friends, today I have a new design in front of you. This was a requirement to build a single floor plan. It was like an outhouse just for the friend and like you can say a farm. Not farm, but it's something like outhouse for just for friends and gathering simples. So to overall plot size is 60 meter by 30 meters. So in this plot you can see first I will show you the back side. Here we make a servant rooms, one kitchen and one servant room here, and this outside kitchen where the main cooking will be happen because if we make in the main villa, main house, so it will to avoid the smells. You can say it we kept it outside. So there is a small green area. Now we come inside the main villa, main house. So from here the main entrance, and we keep about 20-meter distance from the main door to keep all parking for the friends and families over here. So from here we will enter into the house. We will make a small lobby because it's not good to directly enter the house and see everything inside. So this will be majlis, like a majlis means like a living area with a friend and family. So you can design any kind of furniture over here. Here will be some internal kitchen. Internal kitchen is just for light cooking, like without like small things just for heating and this one, but not heavy cooking. A simple cooking will be done over here. Here is the door to go outside, and from here we can go to the this servant room and this kitchen area. So from here heavy cooking will be done, and it will be brought into here and can be used in this kitchen for heating, for serving purpose, everything. This will be the counter where someone can sit and eat also, and also in this one we can arrange for dining room, dining table. Next, we see here is a hand wash area and bathroom, and this for the guests, everyone who are coming here in this area, they can utilize this one. When we go to the back side of the portion, one entrance by have been given into this lobby, and other we can enter from the side with the right and left with the green area, and this will be the main passage to come inside about 2.6-meter width, and from here we enter and come to in this lobby. So when we come here, so this is a one big master bedroom with a sitting area with bed and TV over here, dressing area, and this is a shower curtain, shower area, bathtub, WC and wash basins, everything here. It's a master bedroom for the owner, so it's a little suspicious. So there are two more bedrooms, like one bedroom 5 meter by 5 meter, and with dressing and bathroom, and again same bath bedroom for 5 by 5 meter with dressing and bathroom. So this is overall layout of the plan. We have kept about 4.5 meter on the side because the rule in this area is to deep 4.5 meter setback on the sides and 8 meter, at least 8 to 6 meters from the back side. So this is a simple layout plan for you. Maybe you like my idea, and if you like my idea, please comment in our comment section. Subscribe our channel, please. And if you have any advice to make it much more better than this one, you are most welcome. Your suggestions are very much welcome in the comment section. We're waiting for your reviews and your suggestions to improve our design. Thank you very much, friends. See you in the next video.